Kristen with Westside Construction. I'm here to do a repairability test on this roof. There's multiple windblown shingles throughout. So I'm going to start right here using the insurance-approved roof snake. First, I'm going underneath and sealing these shingles. So this is where it had began. So I need to start unsealing over here. Alright, now that I've got these unsealed, I need to unseal this one on top. Now I got all of these unsealed. First thing I gotta do is get out this nail right here. Right. Next one's right there. Before I do anything, you can see how it's tearing the shingle right here. And it has now just ripped it. This is already showing this roof is not repairable, but I'm going to continue on. Alright, the next nail is this one right here. Go ahead and take a look how this nail had dug through here. Has slid it right there on the shingle. Next one is right here. Continue, see what it's already doing. And this is me just trying to get this one nail out. As you can see, it has cut this shingle right there, damaging this row. This roof is not repairable. I'm going to go ahead and try to get this shingle out though. Already here. So this is the one shingle that we're trying to replace. This roof is not repairable. We're going to go ahead and send this off to you guys so you guys can cover the roof fully.